Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called mycharacter.ai. So it will create interactive artificial intelligence characters. So it is a dApp, decentralized app that is built on AI protocol. So you can come to this dApp that is built on AI protocol that leverages the CharacterGPT multimodal AI system to generate realistic, intelligent, and interactive AI characters. So you can create any character. Let's say HS Coast from Canada who has a very short temper. And I'm going to say a cricketer from India who is an expert batsman. So I want to create a character based on this. Now if I say sign in with Google, it will create a character for me. So this is some of the characters which is already there, community characters, which is verified, which is recently created. So Sandeep Nilwal is a tech enthusiast, successful entrepreneur and co-founder of Polygon. So if you see the character profile, then you can interact with character. So that character will also display some of the traits or what you have created there, and it will talk based on that. If you see this, now if I try to interact with this person, for that I need to log in. After I log in, I'll be able to interact with this person. So you can ask everything about Polygon to this person, and that person will respond in such a way. So there are various other verified characters like Asher Gomez, Professor Rajesh Gupta. So Professor Rajesh Gupta is a prestigious university located in New Delhi. So if I try to interact with him, he will respond to all the questions that is pertaining to him, and the replies will be also centric around that. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.